Well, the tribunals are just an option for us, and we'll be using the tribunals if, in the course of bringing somebody to justice, it would jeopardize or compromise national security interests. So they're a tool, they're an option. As you know, we're discussing rules about how to make them function well. We've, the Defense Department asked a lot of opinions from respected scholars, and the world's now beginning to see what we meant by a fair system that will enable us to bring people to justice and at the same time protect national security interests. I have no plans right now to use anybody. There's nobody in mind yet, but the option is available.
Are many of those people...
Well, we're still in the process of getting as much information from the detainees as possible. Remember, these are the ones in Guantanamo Bay are killers. They don't share the same values we share. They would like nothing more than to come after America or our friends and allies, and so therefore it's in our national interest to make sure we know enough about them before we decide what to do with them. And so there's a process, ongoing process, to get as much information as we can from the prisoners or detainees. Some talk, some don't talk. And I told you that if any evidence that is required to convict them jeopardizes the national security interests of the country, we'll use the tribunal.
We're doing that right now. As a matter of fact, the procedure, it's pretty clear, is going to be very similar to that employed in a military court-martial. The evidentiary standard will be lowered. The rules of procedure will be relaxed. But essentially, these gents are going to be tried at something that will resemble very closely a military court-martial.